Compound interest. Now that you know what a compound percentage change represents, it is much easier to understand the concept of compound interest and the corresponding interest rates applied in banking. Compound interest, otherwise known as interest on interest, occurs when a bank calculates the rates based on the actual deposit and not on the principal. In other words, compound interest, or compounding interest, is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Compound interest is calculated together with the principal P, i.e. by calculating the total amount A. Through the compound interest formula, we have the following shown on screen. Where n is the number of times the interest is compounded in a year, in our previous example n equals 1, as the interest was compounded once in a year, r is the compound interest rate expressed as a decimal and t is the total period of deposit or loan. Then, the principal is subtracted from the amount A to give only the compound interest Ci, if required, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. Let's get a better understanding of this through an example. Example 1. A customer deposits $3,600 in a bank that applies 1.2% compound interest rates every 6 months. Calculate A, the amount the customer will receive after 5 years of deposit. B, the compound interest earned by the client during this period. Solution 1. We have the following clues: P equals $3,600. R equals 1.2% equals 0.012. N equals 2, every 6 months means twice a year. T equals 5. AN equals? CI equals? A. Using the formula of compound interest, we have the following shown on screen. B. The compound interest is calculated by subtracting the principal from the total amount earned. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. You can also calculate other variables involved in the compound interest formula. For example, we can calculate the principal if the total amount after a certain period is given when the interest rate is known, etc. Let's consider another example. Example 2. A customer has $37,821 in his savings account. The bank offers an interest of 1.8% compounded thrice in a year. What was her balance 4 years ago? Solution 2. The quantity to be calculated in this problem is the principal P. We have the following clues: AN equals $37,821. R equals 1.6% equals 0.018. N equals 3. T equals 4. P equals? Using the formula of compound interest, we have the following shown on screen. We obtain after substitutions the following shown on screen. If we are asked to calculate the value of compound interest, Ci, from this example, we can write the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 5.4.5 and the end of chapter 5. To continue this mathematics topic, please watch 6, Introduction to Expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.